My name is Maria Śmigielska. I'm from Poland.
My name is Kontejner. I'm from France. We are both architects and researchers in architecture and technology. Together, we work in a project series, which is a series of mixed media art installations, which are interactive and generative. We are here together in the residency at Kontejner in Zagreb for the EMAP program, which is a European media art platform.
We develop a project Proteus 4.0 as a continuation of our series started in 2018. And over here we are focused on web-based interaction together with physical installation exhibited at Kontejner 3.0 Festival. At the very core of Proteus project, we work with ferrofluid material, which is a completely artificial compound created in the 70s by NASA in order to move objects in outer space through magnetic field. And we are using the same magnetic force in order to move the objects in exhibition spaces. We worked with ferrofluid material as is. Later on, we worked also with the digital version of it. The general interest of this material within the Proteus series is that this material is animated and that it brings the notion of uncertainty to the project. We use also the allegory of Proteus, god from Greek mythology, who was a god of waters, of body of waters. And he was shape-shifting, he was changing his form from animals to plants to other creatures in order to avoid telling the truth. And this shape-shifting, this animation and this being constantly in flux is also something that appears in Proteus series from its very beginning.
There is one thing that is really transversal to all the iterations of our projects, the Proteus series, is that we are trying to connect humans with computers. And while doing that, we're looking at the aesthetic, the signification in the imagery we produce. So now what we are trying to do is to have this ecosystem of communication where a physical artwork in an exhibition space can be in communication with a human in that space, but also in communication with a whole distributed network in the internet. This residency was about this very last step, to try to build this network, this open distributed communication that now we have in place, and we can say that if there is a next step to this project, would be to express the vastness of this possibility in the physical space, in the distributed virtual one, all together, and try to express this collective intelligence that we have built together.